for Colorado in 2009 is the Denver Museum of Nature and Science. Founded in 1900, this museum has been a cornerstone of Denver's cultural experience and scientific achievements for over 100 years. The museum is home to numerous activities, programs, collections, exhibits, research, and more. Explore the amazing workings of your human body in the museum's newest permanent exhibit, Expedition Health. Here you can learn through many interactive programs the ways in which your body adapts to its surroundings. Then blast off into space with Space Odyssey, where you can learn about the mysteries of the universe through hands-on exhibits and demonstrations.